Toe guards on a loading dock are safety barriers designed to protect workers' feet from being crushed or injured by closing gaps between the dock and a trailer, while also preventing equipment, such as forklifts, from falling off the edge. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to install one side of Multi-Fab's universal toe guard kit using a 3-piece set. If you're working with the 2-piece set, this video will still be helpful for you since the process is similar. Start by using a tape measure to mark 1 inch from both ends of the top toe guard and a 1/2 inch down from the top edge. Then, depending on your kit, measure and mark additional spots across the guard starting from that 1 inch mark. Drill pilot holes at those marks with a 5/32 inch or a 1/8 inch bit, or skip that and go straight to hanging the guard. Align the front edge of the top toe guard with the front of the leveler side plate, making sure it's flush against the deck bottom or weather seal. Mark a couple of the center holes and then drill pilot holes, 5/32 or 1/8 inch for the self-drilling screws. Install a couple self-drilling screws in the center of the top toe guard so that it'll stay in place for you to drill pilot holes for the rest of your mounting holes. Use the provided self-drilling screws to attach the top toe guard to the leveler. The hardware kit includes extra screws, so don't be concerned if some remain unused. Next, take a bolt and insert it through the center hole of the top toe guard. Slide the thrust bearing onto the bolt. Insert the middle toe guard and install the thrust bearing. Next, attach the bottom toe guard by installing the washer and the nut. Hand tighten the nut for now. Place a bolt through the front hole at the bottom of the top toe guard that lines up at the slot in the middle toe guard. Add washers to the bolt to position the toe guard spacer, making sure the guard clears the leveler and slides inside. There are extra washers included in the hardware kit for this spacing. Place a toe guard spacer on the bolt. Pass the bolt through the slot into the next toe guard. Add a washer and thread on a nut. Tighten the nut snug against the washer. Install the toe guard spacer, the washer, and then the nut. Go back and tighten all the nuts on the toe guards. Tighten the nut on the bolt at the rear of the guards last. The completed toe guard kit should appear as shown. Repeat the process on the other side of the leveler. Check that the leveler operates correctly by testing if it raises and the lip extends properly. Due to the added weight, the main springs may need to be adjusted to operate properly. When lowering, make sure the middle and bottom panel retract beneath the leveler within the sidewall. Double check all the nuts and bolts, test the leveler again, and the installation is complete. If you have any questions regarding our toe guard kits, do not hesitate to call or email us today.